Hello, it's Samuli here from HeadQ, and in this video we are building a product configurator and getting some inspiration from New Holland for this. When it comes to their website, you find their products, and here they have build and price. So they are not putting pricing behind forms, and they are giving buyers ability to build online on their own as buyers want nowadays. For big companies like New Holland, you can of course do a big IT project around something like this. But how you can build a nice looking product configurator for your product if you are a bit smaller company? I will be going through that one in this video. I'm from a company called HeadQ. We built a software for B2B manufacturing companies that are selling some kind of physical products. And it's software where you can build product configurators very, very quickly and publish them within hours. And today we are building this kind of version, but I'm trying to make it a bit better, in my opinion. And of course, here in New Holland, there's a lot of details, so I won't be going through all of the details, but actually building a good looking package. But let's go with this and let's hop into the HeadQ system and get started free. Create a new account. The free account is something you can go put up yourself and try it out. We have three different selling methods. So checkout, so actually buying online, quotes, getting quote requests from your customers, and leads, so getting leads from your customers. And let's add the website. Let's see if it finds it that way. It does, and we get the logos and colors and all that. Now it's creating the store for us. And here you will see a code snippet. This would be the code snippet on how you put our product configurator to your website, and you can put it to your website for your customers, or if you have a website for your dealers, you can embed our system there as well. And then we are choosing where our business is located and where we are selling. Most of our customers are selling to multiple markets, so there is of course language versions, different currencies, and all that handled within our platform. So now we are inside of the platform. The front page is all about data, so you could follow stuff regarding your configurators here. Let's first go to the settings and change the default currency from euros to US in this instance. And then we hop into the products where we build the actual products. On the demo account, there is always some stuff here ready for you, but I will be now deleting those so they are not bothering us here like this. And then we go into creating a new product. So first we create the product and then we start to build the configurator. So for the product, it is this. Oops. Let's make sure that we copy it. Very good. Yes, so now we have that one. And then it creates product. Then let's see, we have the pricing here as well. So this is the base price for the product. I will be adding that one. Let's see, so 41855 and 0. Let's add that one. Good. And then for other stuff, I will be finding a picture from online because this seems to be quite small and there wasn't any other picture on this website. So let's pick up a picture of this model. Let's see. Oops, pictures. Okay, this seems to be good. Let's go New Holland and save that one. And then we just upload this here. Okay, it seems a bit small. Soon we see if it looks good or bad on the configurator. It might be looking bad because it's so small, but soon we see. Then I hop into the configurator side of things and we start to build. I will once again delete two ready-made configurators that we have here. And then we add your first configurator. For that, we are using visual, and we select existing product like this. So within our software, you can create as many configurators as you want. Now we see the picture is small, so let's see if we find some better. Let's try this. Maybe this is a bit bigger. It will just look so much better when we find a... What was the name? I saved it. New Holland 2. Let's see. Not here. Not here. Let's see. Yeah, that's weird. Let's try maybe something else. If this is any bigger. Okay, now we at least have a picture. Oh, this seems to be better sizing, so this might work better. Okay, now it's a bit bigger. Let's see how it looks on the configurator side of things. Still small. Okay, this is getting tricky. They don't have big size pictures anywhere. Let's see. Not big enough. Let's try this. I think I already tried this, but never know. Okay. This looks promising. Yes. Now it's getting better. Very good. Let's use this as a picture here. Then we go into giving these options. So first option is regarding packages. So for that, we are adding a single option. So one to choose from, put the heading as packages, and then we will be adding the information of different packages here. So let's go first one, then we go second one, then we go with the third one, and then we go with the last one, and then we see the pricing. So it seems that this is on base price and all the rest are $20,081. So $20,081. So we are adding those like this. And now we have this one here. I will delete the quantity. So how many of these you are buying? We could ask that one, but let's make it without that one right now. Then for the packages, I will put that you can see more information on these. So they have it this way that you can show more details. Seems like this one doesn't have any information here basically. So it's only this. Then for the luxury, we are getting the stuff from here. So all of that information here. Then for the standard, we are getting this information. And then for the last one, let's take all that information like this. And now we have these info boxes coming here. Very good. Then let's see what others we would choose. So I'm not putting all of these to make it a bit more simple, but let's go, for example, for the precision and common as well, and create an example of those ones as well. And let's see if these are something that we can basically do choices. Okay, so we can do it that way. So let's put it in this way. So let's first put this one. And then for that, we have two options. Like this. Then I will be doing one on the ISO bus. Like this. So just adding the stuff here. Nothing very special on this part. Quite simple copy and pasting. And then, for example, let's put one more as an example. Then we have plenty of these examples here. So roof mounted monitor. And for that, we have the normal that is included. And then we have this one that was 4343. So let's add that one as well. And this way you can build all of these as you want. Then, for example, let's put auto guidance here. So within that, there's more than one option as well. So we have 4 in total. I'll show you quickly. We have this normal way of adding, but then we also have kind of bulk editing where we could basically do it in a way that we add all 4 at the same time. Let's see how it was here. Yes. So like this, and this. So we have total of 4, and it created all of those 4. And then let's just add the pricing of each of those. First one. Second one. And then the last one. Like this, and then save it. Then, well, there is a lot of stuff that we could add, but let's not add all of these right now. What I could show you, what I would actually do maybe a bit differently compared to this. Now here I cannot see kind of any pictures, so I could add some pictures here as well. So let's see, for example, for the other equipment, if we try to find New Holland brake pack. Brake pack. So if we find some pictures, it might be a nice looking ones. Okay, let's see. So let's use this, just as an example, so you get an idea. So we have brake, and then to here we could add stuff regarding kind of multiple options, and then we would have here, let's say, additional attachments. Very good. And then within here, we could add stuff. So for the brake pack, I would have that one. Let's put pricing on that one for 6. Like this. And then for that, I will be editing details, and let's add picture here, break, and then we have that one here. And then once again, we could add a lot of text here if we would like to. So let's see if there was something. Okay. Not really anything we need, but let's just put add text here for the customer to read more about the product. Very good. And this is basically the way how we could be, adding all of these. What I recommend is, like, if you are selling your machinery directly online, then you should be asking all of these questions. But how it could look like, if you are collecting leads to your dealers or your sales team, it could be something like this that we build with our software. So you choose the model, you choose the reach, tire options, you can read more about tire options, lightning, maintenance package, some additional accessories, but no more than that. And then it's all about, setting the next steps basically. Okay, so now we have the configurator ready, the first version. Let's not add all the stuff here this time to keep it simple. But if you would like to have all of these choices, you can add all of them. And then how it looks for the customer on the preview, we can choose the packages, precision, ISO bus, all the stuff where we added these info boxes. We could always read the details that we put here like this, do all the choices for the attachments as well. When we added the pictures, you can see those here as well. And then we can see the pricing. And then from here, if we are ready to buy, we could go for checkout, add the stuff to our shopping cart, and go from there. The gray area here would be your website, so we can install the configurators directly to your website. And if you wish not to show the exact pricing, but collect leads, we can change this pricing from exact pricing to price range, let's say 20% buffer, and we can hide it behind a button of calculate. And in order to click that, we could ask contact information of your buyers like this. So we are adding this one here. And basically how it would now go is that you have similar looking configurator once again on your website. Customer can configure, but they need to give their information in order to calculate price estimation. And when they calculate price estimation, lead was created, and then you can send that lead to your dealers or your own sales people. So that's how you can use HeadQ platform. If you want to see a personalized demo of your product, feel free to email me at samuli@headq.io or sign up from headq.io to our free plan, and feel free to build a configurator on your own as well.